Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to use Discord on mobile. So it's pretty simple. So first you need to go to your Play Store or App Store depending on the phone you use. After going to Play Store, go to the search and then search type for Discord and download Discord. And after downloading Discord, you can just scroll to the Discord app. My Discord app is over here, and click on the app logo. If you haven't created a Discord account, then click on register. But if you already have a Discord account, click on login. I already have, so I'm going to log into my Discord account. And then after logging into your account, this is how your Discord server should look like. If you want to go on someone's server, you can literally see all these photos over here at the left side, which is all the servers. I can click on the photo to go on the appropriate server, and if I want to search for a friend, I can click on the search button over here and then go on the top and search for the person over here as well. So that's basically how you use Discord on mobile. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification turned on to our channel, because we post content like this. So to get notified for a future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on. And yeah, before going to call someone on Discord, is pretty simple. You can click on this friend icon over here, and these are all the friends over here you have, and you can click on this call button to call the friend. So that's basically it. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.